We are here in our local mechanic because we have a problem with our multicab. The brake linings on the car has been broken. But this is what I mean that a multicab is easier to fix. We just carry it over to our local mechanics and immediately it gets sorted because they find it easy to fix here. You can see a lot of surplus cars, even multicabs repainting being done here. Just taking out the rusty ones. This is another van that they're doing, a multicab van. This jeepney. We're just taking out the tires now. We're gonna have to change this cover of the multicab, in which we are priced about 500 pesos just to change this and weld it back. This is how they do the repainting. A repainting with all the holes and all that costs 15,000 pesos for the whole multicab. This man is sanding the bulge of the filler that they put in. Like this one, because this multicab is for repainting. And like I said, their asking price for the repainting of an the whole multicab here is only 15,000 pesos. So this is our local mechanic here. There's a few of them around here in Talamban that we can take our car or our multicabs to fix quickly. They usually have multicabs because most of the people from the hills and the mountains in places like this, we have multicabs. This one is fixing the cover of the door of the multicab. This car is for electric rewiring. Just adjusting the brake fluid now.
Kasi napilain ka pa sa itong nahabilin. Bidingin ko, ablihin ko dia.
It's all done now here, but we need to get the bleeder of the brake pad, of the brake fluid, to go through. Multicab is done. The labor was was 150. So the whole job is changing the lining, the brake adjuster is all 1,190 pesos, and it's like an hour fixing it.